Dear brothers, good morning. We are continue the lesson from Sanskrit semester 1, second lesson Atidhyam. Maharshi Vyadavyasa is written this lesson. Moola Grandham Srimad Ramayanam. Srimad Bhagavatam. Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sektehe Pautramakalmasham Parasaraatmajam Vande Sukatatam Taponidhim. What is the meaning of this sloka? I bow down to Vyasa, the great grandson of Vasishta. He is the grandson of the Vasishta, grandson of Shakti, son of Parasara, and the father of Sukha. His father is Sukha. Sukha is the Sishya of Vyadavyasa. Okay? Vyasa was the son of Satyavati and the Parasara. As he was dark in complexion, he was called Krishna. He was very black, so he is called as Krishna. Krishna means black. And as he was born on a island of Yamuna, is born at island of Yamuna. He was called Dvaipayana. Dvaipayana means he born at the Dvipa, so he was Dvaipayana. Dvipa means a river and ocean is combined, where the land is there, that is called Dvipa. Okay? He was also called Krishna Dvaipayana. He performed penance in the Badari forest. He went to the Badari forest and take penance. Hence he was called Badarayana also. So he is called as Badarayana. Vedavyasa divided the Veda into four. Vedavyasa divided the Veda into four cantos. But he authored the 18 Purnas and the Itihas Mahabharata. He preached that universal welfare was the content of Indian literature. Thus, he was established as the world teacher. He established as the world teacher. The full moon day on which Vyasa was born is celebrated by Vyasa Purnima. He born on the on Purnima. So Purnima he was called as moon day, and moon day he is born. So he was called as Vyasa Purnima. His birthday is called as Vyasa Purnima. The Bhagavatam is one of the 18 Purnas. 18 Purnas are there. It contains the story of Lord Krishna. The present lesson is an extract from the 21st canto of the 9th book of the Bhagavatam. 9th book of the Bhagavatam. How many there? 14. 18 is there, 9 is the middle from the middle of the Bhagavatam, the story is taken. The lesson describes the generosity of King Rantideva. Rantideva is the king, he is a great person. He have grace person. Okay, now we are going to read the lesson. Guruchya Rantidevachya Sankrutehe Pandunandana Rantidevasya Hiyasaiha Mutrache Giyate Guruchya Rantidevachya Sankrutehe Pandunandana Rantidevasya Hiyasya Iha Mutrache Giyate. What is the meaning? O Parikshit, O my dear Parikshit, Parikshit is the sage. Guru and Rantideva were born to Sankriti. The glory of Rantideva is sung both in his world, this world, and in the other world. His greatness is forward to the on all worlds. So, he is a great person. Now, Vyadvittasya dadato labdam bubukshataha nishkitshasya dhirasya sakudumbasya sidataha vyatiyurashtasya tvarimsyadahasya pivyataha kila Grutapayasa samyavam toyam pratarupasthitam vyatiyurashtasya tvarimsya dahasya pibataha kila Grutapayasa samyavam toyam pratarupasthitam Krusra prapta kutumbasya krustrudbhyam jatave padoho atidid brahmana kale bhokta kamasya sagamat Krusra prapta kutumbasya krustrudbhyam jatave padoho Atid Brahmana Kale Bhokta Kamasya Sagamat. In this slokas is explained about the Rantideva. Rantideva had wealth obtained by fortune. Even though he could enjoy it. Those who have the money or wealth and health, those are continue to happy, to give you happy. So, he obtained by fortune. Even though he could enjoy it, still he donated whatever he had got. Not is only selfishness, but he is who are coming to ask any help, he is giving any to others. Hence, he became penniless and suffered along with his family. He offered all the money and the wealth. Afterwards, he is suffering without penniless. Then, hence he became penniless and suffered along with his family. His family also suffered by this helpingness. He spent 48 days without water also. 48 days he spent without water. Not only food but also water. He is very suffered. Then in the morning he got water and food prepared with ghee, milk and cereals. One day he got some water and also the food prepared with ghee, milk also there and cereals. But in that time, what happened? When Rantideva, whose family suffered severely and who was trembling with hunger and thirst, was about eat the food, a Brahmin came as a guest. When he is going to take that food to eat, then a guest is coming. He is very hungry. He is a Brahman. He is asking. So a Samhita is there. Atidhi Devo Bhava. Who are coming in the mealing time, the person is the God. So they are thinking. So the Brahman is coming to here as a guest. He is thinking about why you are coming to here, what you want. He is asking. Then he is telling, Tasmai samshya bhavastotna madrustya Shraddhamanvitaha Harim Sarvatra Sampasyan Sa Bhakshva Prayayau Dvijaha. Oh my dear Brahmin, the devout Rantideva, who saw Lord Hari everywhere, showed respect to him and shared the food with him. When he saw that person who are coming to in that time, he think as a God. A Lord. He saw Lord Hari everywhere showed respect to him. He is giving the respect to him and shared the food, his food with him. What he have, the food, he shared to him. That Brahmin ate it and went away. When he is giving that, he ate and went away. Afterwards, what happened? Adhanyo bhokshamanasya vibhaktasya mahipate vibhaktam vyabhajattasmai vrushalaya harim smaran. Then what happened? Then as the king was about to eat the divided portion, another guest arrived. When he is going to eat the another portion of the food, another guest is coming to there. And the king shared with that Sudra the already divided portion. Is the Sudra person is coming to ask the food. So he is giving the portion to him also. In that, afterwards, how much food he have? Fourth portion is there. But now, what happened? Yate tasmin tamannyo gadatithi swafira vritaha rajanme diyata mannam saganaya bubhukshate yate tasmin tamannyo gadatithi swafira vritaha rajanme dīyatāmannam saganāya bhuvukshate. As the Sudra went away, another guest surrounded by dogs came to him. Another guest is coming. That guest having some dogs around him. The dogs also coming to there. O king, please give food to me, who am hungry and have followers. I am not only hungry, but my followers also are hungry. So give me food to all of me. He is asking. How can able to give? It is very difficult to him, but what difficulty is there is not suffered. He is agreed to give what he have. That sa adrutya vasishtam yad bahumana puraskrutam tatsya datta samachakre swabhyah swapataye vibhuhu sa adrutya vasishtam yad bahumana puraskrutam tatsya datta samachakre swabhyah swapataye vibhuhu. In that time, the king, showing respect to him, offered that which remained to the lord of the dogs and the dogs. Then he saluted them. He is also giving all the food to the owner of the dogs and also the dogs. They are eating and went away. Afterwards, Paniyamatramuchesham tatshaika paritarpanam pasyataha pulkasopyagadapo dehya sufayame paniyamatramuchesham tatshaika paritarpanam pasyataha puskasopyagadapo dehya sufayame. Then only water remained, and that too which was enough to satiate one person. As the king was about to drink that, he is trying to drink that water. In Telugu, a poem is there, a good poem is there. In Telugu Bhagavatam, that is, I am very suffer to take this water, but how can I give is not say. Water is also offered to the others. In that time, అన్నము లేదు కొన్ని మధురాంబువులున్నవి త్రావుమన్నా రావన్నా శరీరధారులకు ఆపద వచ్చిన వారి ఆపదల్ గ్రన్నన మాంచి వారికి సుఖంబులు చేయుట కన్నా ఒండు మేలున్నదేయంచు సర్వేశ్వరాధీనుడై పోషంజలములు రంతి దేవుడు. That is, another guest is coming today. He is asking some water also. He is giving it. No food is there. No wealth is there. Another coins are not there. But only water is there. I am asking to drink that. But you are coming to this time. Only water is I am taking. But I am not taking this. You also take this. He is giving. So he offered that also to that person. Is that in this? Then only water remained, and that too which was enough to satiate one person. As the king was about to drink, that Loban came to set. Another a poor people is came to there. Loban person is came to there and asked, please give water to this inauspicious only. He is asking, what he is doing? You please take this also. He is giving. तस्यतां करुणां वाचः तस्यतां करुणां वाचं निशम्य विपुलश्रमां कृपया वृषसस्तत्त इदमाहामृतं वचम् कृपया वृषसन्तप्त इदमाहामृतं वचः. Now, having heard the pathetic and tired words of that person who came to there, what he is saying, he heard that all words of that person overcome by pity. He is very pity upon him. The king uttered these nectar-like words. He is very peaceful and giving that water also. न कामयेऽहं गतिमीश्वरात् पराम् अष्टर्दिक्युक्तामपुनर्भवं वा आर्तिं प्रपद्येऽखिलदेहभाजाम् अन्तः स्थितो येन भवन्त्यदुःखाः न कामयेऽहं गतिमीश्वरात् पराम् अष्टर्धिक्युक्तामपुनर्भवं वा अर्तिं प्रपद्येऽखिलदेहभाजाम् अन्तस्थितो येन भवन्त्यदुःखाः. Then I do not desire neither and highest position comparing of the 8 kings of our the state of no birth from the Lord. He is a great person. He desires neither the highest position comparing of the 8 kings of the world, or the state of no birth from the Lord. Is wanting the freeness of this life, is wanting the heaven life. So, staying within all the living entities, I would like to experience all their suffering so that they will become free from their sorrows. When the person leaves this body, is leaving all the sorrows. So, no sorrows are coming with us, but only the soul is coming, going. Soul is, whose for the soul? The God's soul. So, where is God? Where the person with the soul, the God is there. So, everywhere, God is everywhere. No. So, very happy. Staying within all the living entities, I would like to experience to their sufferings so that they will become free from their sorrows. Even Shutpratyamo gatra parisramasya dainyam klamaha soka vishada moha. Shutpratyamo gatra parisramasya dainyam klama soka vishada moha. Sarve nivruttaha कृपणस्य जंतो जिजीविषोर्चिवजालार्पणान्मे सर्वे निवृत्ताः कृपणस्य जन्तोः जिजीविषोर्चिवजिलार्पणान्मे. Any person who are wanting the water, who are living, they are wanting the water, they are living with the water. So here, by offering life, restoring water to this wretched one who desires to live, those who are wanting to live, they are desire the water. So, who are taking the water, they are living. In this way, I find that my own anger, thirst, pique, trembling of the body, misery, thirst, fatigue, trembling of the body, misery, weariness, sorrow, depression and bewilderment are all gone. When he is giving that water, he is taking that water, all the burdens are got away. What burdens are there? Body, misery, thirst, fatigue, trembling of the body, misery. All are went out. Also the sorrow, depression and bewilderment are all gone. These are very sufferings for the persons. Then, iti prabhashya paniyam mriyamanaha pipasaya. Iti prabhashya paniyam mriyamanaha pipasaya. Pulkasaya dadadhiro nisarga karuno nrupaha. Pulkasaya dadhiro nisarga karuno nrupaha. Is the great person, is the bare person, dare person. But having said so, the courageous and compassionate king, who himself was dying because of thirst, offered water to the low bar. So, it is very feasible to give that water to the low person. Afterwards, tasya tribhuvanadishaha paladaha palamechatam atmanam darshayam chakrurmaya vishnu vinirmitaha. Tasya tribhuvanadishaha paladaha palamichatam atmanam dasyayam chakrurmaya vishnu vinirmitaha. The lords of the three worlds, who bestow fruits to those who desire benefits, revealed to the king their identities as the Brahmin, Sudra, and they were Elias sons created by Vishnu. The persons, those who are coming to ask the food and the water, they are all prepared and created by the Vishnu to test the king. Okay, so they are all coming to there and testing the person of Rantideva. Then what happened? Savaityebhyo namaskrutyasya nisargo nisangho vigataspruhaha vasudeve bhagavati bhaksya chakre manah param. Savaityebhyo namaskrutyasya nisangho vigata spruhaha vasudeve bhagavati bhaktya chakre manah param. The passionless king, who had no desires, saluted to the gods and fixed this mind on the highest Lord Vasudeva. His mind only fixed on the Lord Vasudeva. But the king is no passionless person, so he is not desiring anything. Only his mind put on the Lord Vasudeva. Next, what happened? Ishvaralambanam chittam kurvato nasya radasaha. Ishvaralambanam chittam kurvato nanyada anyaradhasaha माया गुणमयी राजन् स्वप्नवत् प्रत्यलीयता. O King Parikshit, you listen this. The supreme illusion vanished like a dream to the king, who made his mind like shelter in the Lord, and who was unwavering in his devotion. So very, very happy to the Lord. Is only the mind on the Lord Kesava. The last poem, we are reaching to the Tatprasanga Svabhavena Ranti Devanuvartinaha. Tatprasanganubhavena Ranti Devanuvartinaha Abhavan Yoginaha Sarve Narayana Parayana. By this way, by their association with Rantideva, all his followers became sages by these actions, having Narayana as their ultimate goal. All are keeping their goal on the Vasudeva. All are became as sages. So all are saved from the God. This is the lesson. This story is very important to learn the students to offer their helping to others. How? Not only for us, but we offered everything for others. When we are giving, they are giving again. Without, they are not giving, but God is giving everything. So here is also the Vasudeva is giving everything. He is testing and testing and testing and giving everything what he lost. So you don't think anything. I am not losing. I am losing this by giving up this practicals. So you are not losing. What I am teaching, I am giving. What I am giving, the lesson, when I am again and again I am giving the lessons, I have the experience. So by giving and teaching, I have the experience. So experience is the good goal. So, okay. We are going to again read the summary of the lesson. King Rantideva belonged to the Bharata dynasty. He donated whatever he had got. Hence he became penniless and suffered along with his family. Once he spent 48 days without even water. Then in the morning he got water and food prepared with ghee, milk and cereals. But when the king, whose family suffered severely and who was trembling with hunger and thirst, but was about eat the food, a Brahmin came to him as a guest. The devout Rantideva, who saw Lord Hari everywhere, showed respect to him and shared his food with him. That Brahmin ate it and went away. Then, as the king was about to eat the divided portion, another guest arrived. The king shared with the Sudra the already divided portion. Later, another guest, surrounded by dogs, came to him and requested food for him and his dogs. The king offered the last portion of his food to the guest and his dogs. Then only water remained, and that too which was enough to satiate one person. As the king was about to drink that, a low barn came and said, "Please give water to this inauspicious one." Then, having heard the pathetic and tired words of that person, overcome by pity, the king prayed. He prayed, "I do not desire neither the highest position comprising of the 8 kinds of power, or the state of no rebirth from the Lord, staying within all the living entities. I would like to experience all their suffering so that they will become free from their sorrows. By offered the life, restoring water to this wretched one who desired to live, I find that my own hunger, thirst, fatigue, trembling of the body, misery, weariness, sorrow, depression, and bewilderment are all gone." Having said so, the courageous and compassionate king, who himself was dying because of thirst, offered water to the low barn. Then the Lord of the 3 worlds revealed to him themselves as the illusion of guests created by Lord Vishnu. The passionless king, who had no desires, saluted to the gods and fixed his mind on the highest Lord Vishnu, Vasudeva. Then the supreme illusion vanished like a dream to the king, who made his mind like shelter in the Lord, and who was severing in his devotion. By the association with Rantideva, all his followers became sages, having Narayana as their ultimate goal. This is the story completed by this lesson. Okay? Thank you.